what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Cassie. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you've been here a while, then hey, what's up? Thank you so much for your continued support. It really does mean a lot to me, guys, because we have hit over 100 subscribers. That's huge because my goal was to reach 100 by my year anniversary on YouTube, which is in April. But I mean, here we are. Like, I have over 100 of you guys watching and it's freaking awesome. So thank you guys so much for your support. I really, really love it and appreciate it. Anyway, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this really pretty, sexy, sultry Valentine's Day makeup look, as if you haven't seen enough already. But you know what? Mine's cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, consider subscribing before you leave and leave me a comment down below. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling because I know y'all want to see how I got this look. I got you girl. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as you can tell, I already have my base done. I used my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and concealer. I powdered with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, just my typical products that I use in pretty much every other video that I've filmed for you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the eyes. And I feel like it's only right, because it is Valentine's Day, that I use something that has sentimental value to me, and that is my Lorac Pro palette. This is the first high-end makeup purchase that I made ever. Like, ever. This was the very first thing that I purchased. I don't even know how long ago I bought it. I think it was like $42, and for me at the time, $42 was a lot to be spending on a makeup palette. But yeah, I feel like this is just like this is my baby, and I can't even really show you guys because one of the shadows is kind of broken. But I've gotten a lot of use out of this palette, and you really can't even tell, but I really have like gone in. So I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to use her to create my eyeshadow look. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here, which is Taupe, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to use this mirror because it's kind of gross. So yeah, I'm just blending this in the crease kind of messily because I'm just laying down a base for the other shadows that I'm going to be applying. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Mauve, which is this one right here. It's a really pretty cool tone pink, almost like lavender color. And I'm going to take that on a larger blending brush and then just kind of blend that over the shadow that I just laid down. So I feel like I should give you guys a disclaimer. My kids are taking a bath, so if you can hear them, I'm sorry, but mom life. So yeah, I'm not sure how well the mic is on this camera. I'm assuming it's a lot better than the one that I had, so it's probably picking up all their noise. So yeah, I only have like limited time to film because, I mean, you know, like I said, hashtag mom life. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going. So now I'm going to take my ColourPop X Makeup Shayla Perception palette, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is called Shade. It is a really pretty like plum purple shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. It does have a little bit of shimmer in it, so I think it'll look really pretty. And I'm just using like a flat brush and just kind of packing that color onto the lid. It does not have to be perfect because we're going to blend, so don't worry about it being like absolutely perfect. And I'm going to take this shade Friday right here, and this is the BH Cosmetics, and it's my Ray Ray palette, and I'm just going to take that color on a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. That's why we didn't really have to be too careful when it came to that purple shade that I packed onto my lid. So I'm just blending this out all over my crease. That's why I wasn't too careful about the placement of my lid color. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to go over the entire look because we really want it to look seamless. I don't want to see any lines or anything like that. So I'm literally just going to sweep this over my entire eye and make sure that everything blends really nicely. So for my lower lash line, I'm just taking the shade Taupe, which was the first shade that I used in my crease, and I'm just blending that on my lower lash line. So now for blush, I'm going to take my Milani blush in the shade Rose d'Oro. Of course, y'all know this is my ride or die, and I'm just going to pop that on my cheeks. And now to highlight, I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. This is again like a tried and true product for me. And I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush. This is a Revlon powder brush. I think I found this in a Marshall's, and I'm just gonna go over my entire face, make sure that everything is blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips, and I'm taking my ColourPop BFF3 lip liner. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Now I'm going to take this Vivid Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is from Maybelline, and it's in this shade Nude Thrill, and I'm going to apply that to my lips. I haven't used this formula in such a long time, but it really is one of my favorites. I think it was Makeup Shayla, but one day I was watching a video, and I'm pretty sure it was her, yeah. And she said to apply your lip color to your bottom lip and then blot so you don't end up applying too much liquid lipstick, which has happened to me plenty of times. Okay, so now that we have our lip on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a minute since I recorded a makeup related video, and I kind of miss it. So if you want to see more, give this one a thumbs up, comment down below, say hi. I love to talk to you guys, and yeah, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my next upload, and I will see you guys later. Happy Valentine's Day. That was super cheesy. But yeah, bye guys.